So, we are right now on the website on universalearning.quiari.com. Don't worry, I will post the website on the description page, and at the same time is going to appear on the screen. We are on a step-by-step tutorial on how to register with Quiari. So I just want to show you, all my lovely viewers. It's gonna make it easy for me because I can't keep answering all the questions to how many thousand of you who are always asking me, how do I do the registration? So when you watch this video, just follow how I'm gonna show you how to do it. It becomes very easy for you to be part of this great innovation. Come join the fun. Come join the fun. Okay? You can join to be an affiliate marketer with Quiari. Is a multi-billion-dollar company that is based in Florida, USA. You can as well decide to just buy the products and enhance your health. Yes, good health means good wealth. Imagine you having all the money, having all the assets in the world, and then you don't have good health. Of what value is that all the money that you have made for yourself? So there is need for you to live a healthy lifestyle, okay? With the use of Quiari Shake and Quiari tablets, both for the young and for the old, you can maintain a very good health. Alright, so let's move on how to do the registration. So you click the menu bar. This is called the menu bar. These three horizontal lines is called the menu bar. So you click it. Alright. So if you want to know more about the company, you just go straight to the company and it tells you everything you need to know, the mission and the vision of Quiari and the why you have to start using Quiari products. Okay? And then you can also meet the team. All right. Now, if you want to know about the amazing antioxidant fruit, in fact, it is the world's best antioxidant fruit. It's MAQ. If you really want to know more about MAQ, just come to this place. You click on MAQ and then you can watch the video. All right. So here says that the world's superfruit, the MAQ berry, is the star ingredient of Quiari's premier products. Alright, so you can read further about the Mapuche Indians who have reversed this unique fruit for its health promoting properties. So I go back to the menu, and if you want to know more about the products, you simply come to the products. You come to the Quiari Shake, the Quiari Energy, the results you can feel. So you have the testimony already there for you. And if you want to be an affiliate marketer with Quiari, all you need to do is you come here, you see the opportunity, the success stories, the promoter tools. Okay? And if you want to join this time around, remember, we want to know how to join, how to register to be a promoter in Quiari. Even if you decide to be a promoter with the view to be using the product, that's awesome. You mustn't be an affiliate marketer. You can just be an end user. You simply follow this method. Okay? Now you click join. Alright. It takes us to another page. Congratulations on your decision to become a Quiari promoter. You are joining the fastest growing global home-based business opportunity in the world. You are well on your way to getting paid in 5 minutes every time you inspire others to purchase products or join your team. So join us as promoter. You just have to leave the number the way it is here. If you delete this number here, it will not click. You cannot continue. So you leave the number the way it is here and simply put in your country. So I'm going to choose my country. I'm a Nigerian, so I am putting Nigeria. Whatever country that you are from is all represented here. You can see if you're from Ireland, if you're from Iraq, if you're from Israel, if you're from Japan, Kazakhstan, if you're from Kenya, if you're from Jamaica, any part of the company, all companies of the world are all represented. Remember, you can actually use this website to order your products wherever you are. It does not matter. The country where you are doesn't matter. If you're in Mozambique, if you're in Moldova, if you're in Morocco, you can see Mozambique, Morocco. If you're in Netherlands, if you're in New Zealand, Nicaragua. So right now I'm in Nigeria. Even if you're in Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, you can be part of this. So I click Nigeria. So it appears here. And you can see that this button has turned purple, deep purple. So I click continue. All right, it takes me to the shopping cart. Okay, so you can pick any of the products of your choice. You can decide to choose the 10-pack. Okay, you can decide to choose the 4-pack. It's $528. This is what you're going to get. You can decide to choose the 2-pack. That's $264 only. This is what you get, and it will be delivered to your doorstep. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let me repeat it. Why I'm doing this is for you to know that your location is not a barrier. The company delivers using the burst courier services to deliver your product ordered straight to your doorstep. Okay? So you go ahead and choose any of the packs. You can choose the 2-pack, $264. You can also choose the 1-pack. It's simply $132. You can just start with this so as to taste the product and know how lovely it is. You can as well decide to go for any of the packages of your choice. Okay? So what do? You simply click add to cart depending on the package you want to choose. This is for people who are not Nigerians. Then if you are a Nigerian, this is where you're going to click. You're not picking any of the packages here because there's a different PDF file that will give you information as to the prices of the packages for Nigerians, only for Nigerians. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe because of the CBN restrictions on dollar. So actually you can use your MasterCard to buy something worth over $132 or over $100 from your MasterCard. So it's actually our country that made it to be so. It is not Quiari. The problem is not Quiari problem. It's actually Nigerian problem that the government made it that you can't use your MasterCard to buy something exceeding $50. You can imagine. So so what did Quiari, this wonderful company, what did they do so as to accommodate our government and the Nigerians who love this product so much? So they made a provision where you can simply click on this. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Okay, don't pick any of the products, add to cart. Remember, we still have $50 worth of products. You can pick any one. For those of you who are not Nigerians, your MasterCard can contain, you can actually access transactions from your MasterCard in any part of the world. Go ahead and add to cart and pay using your MasterCard. It's as simple as that. Okay? Now, for Nigerians, you scroll down and come to the bottom of the page. Do you see this? I would like to become a promoter, but I am not interested in purchasing products at this time. This was actually devised to accommodate Nigerians. So what do? You click it. Good. And once you click it, it says continue to personal information. So you can see that you don't have to click. This add to cart has changed color. Let me click it back again so that you understand what I'm saying. I unclick, then you see add to cart. That's for people who are not in Nigeria. That's for people who are. When I say Nigerians, I don't mean Nigerians that is outside the country. For a Nigerian that is living outside Nigeria, you can use your debit card or your credit card to make this purchase. All right? But for those of us who are living in Nigeria, what you do is that you simply scroll down to this particular point and then you click I would like to become a promoter, but I'm not interested in purchasing products at this time. Then continue to personal information. You click continue to personal information. Here you're required to put in your account information, your email, confirm email. You put in your password. You confirm your password. Remember, write down your password where you can remember it. Do not just put any number or any name. It is important that you know your password. Quiari is a serious company. It's not a joke. Never you play with your password. And always put in your active email because the company will always contact you using your email. Then you put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, shipping information, and that's it. When you just put in everything that is required and you click I agree, okay? And you click review order. Click review order. When you click review order, you will see the page showing where you are expected to simply click confirm and submit. That's it. It's as simple as that. Okay, I think I have spent a lot of minutes trying to explain this, but this is going to help every one of us wherever you are. This is how it's done. For you that are in Nigeria, this is how you're going to do it. Then once you're done with that, you can now go back to you can download the app. When you download the app, you will see the price list put for Nigerians, for any other country. Okay, any country either where you are, but especially for Nigerians, you will have the product package prices and the accounts that you're going to pay in. Quiari has an account in Nigeria, I think an EcoBank account, because Quiari registered in Nigeria. So you pay straight into Quiari account. Everything will be provided for you. You will see it on the PDF file, or you will see it in the form where you have to pay into the account, because that is the means that you can do your transaction. You make a transfer to the Quiari EcoBank account and simply send your receipt or confirmation alert to the number or to the email that has been designated. Everything is contained in that PDF. All right? Then for all you, my lovely viewers, and for my team members, you can as well notify me when you have made a payment. I will simply assist. It's just an assistance, okay, to reach out, also using an email to the company administrator so that they will recognize your purchase and delivery will be made straight to your doorstep, not to me. It's not coming to me. I have no hands in that. It's simply just an assistance so that you can get your product. All right? Even if you don't tell me, everything will be transacted smoothly. That's how it works in Quiari. Remember, we had this kind of a little hitches simply because of our government, not because of Quiari modus operandi. Not at all. Quiari modus operandi is very, very easy. just the way you order something in Amazon, and then voila, they will deliver to your doorstep in 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the location of your country. So I hope you guys have taken note of this. See you guys in my next video. I'm signing off for today. Bye bye.